Hi guys, Cletus here, and welcome to Get Out. If this is your first time here, I like to go outdoors and experience all types of biking and kayaking and hiking and all that fun stuff. So if you like that type of stuff, hit that subscribe button now. Today, we're gonna do an unboxing. I had a company send me a gift, so we're gonna unbox this thing and see what it is. Stay tuned right here on Get Out. Okay, so here's the box. It is called the Joytutus S-Type Snow Broom. Extendable. It is still warm here now, but it is the middle of October, so I'm sure the snow is going to be here pretty quick. So this might be a pretty cool accessory. Let's get this thing unboxed. Let's first check out the contents of our box here. We got a wonderful microfiber cloth for wiping the residue off when you're done scraping. We even get a nice pair of gloves. Hey, and they've even got tread on them. You ain't gonna lose this snow broom. Looks like we've got a nice bag. We'll be able to put this all in whenever we're finished using it here. Nice carry bag. And let's see, we've got the snow broom. Got some extendable poles here. And of course a nice scraper. Let's check this out. Okay, well first of all, you've got a scraper, of course. What's kind of cool about this scraper is it's got different designs to push different types of ice, or just squeegee off some of the water, or of course just push some of that snow off. And it's got these little tabs in here that you can slide right down in here, push that down, and then you can do your scraping like that. Got a little bit thicker ice, turn it around, push it down in there, and you've got these teeth to help bite down on that ice. So I do like that about this. We've got these extension rods, and this one here has even got an extension, so you can get all the way across that roof or that hood, and you're not going to have to go to the other side. You'll just be able to push it straight off from where you're at, so that's pretty awesome. And of course the microfiber rag and the nice gloves here. And of course we got the snow broom here, which has got the S shape in it, which I love because it's kind of like a plow. You shove it across, turn around, pull it back, and you can get all that snow off the roof of your car. And this is EVA material, so it is not going to scratch your paint when you're getting it off the hood or the roof or the trunk. So that's a great feature. So let's put this baby together and see how much of an extension we have here. Oh yeah, we can get all the way across there. I like that. And this even swivels, so you can get to different angles easier. This is going to be a great tool come this winter whenever I have 4 and 5 and 6 inches of snow sitting on top of my truck. I can just scrape off the snow, use the scraper, get my windshield, my side windows clean, and I can roll in no time at all. So this winter, whenever it snows, I'm going to take this baby out and give it a shot. And tear down is a breeze too. Just simply pop all these extensions right off by pressing the buttons. Whoop, I extended it that time, didn't I? Still extended it. Push this, fold it down flat, get your storage bag, which won't matter if you store it in here when it's wet either. It's going to work just fine. There you go. The Joytutus S-Type Snow Broom. Also put a link below. If you think you would like something like this for your vehicle this winter, go ahead and click on that link. Thanks for watching, guys. This was the Joytutus Snow Broom extendable version. So this winter, whenever that snow is on thick, this is going to be a great tool to have. Thanks for watching. For more great biking, hiking, and kayaking videos, please click right up here. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel right down here. See you next time.